Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to log Stripe payment details into Airtable for financial tracking. So here I want to store the financial details of my user into my Airtable account, that is their transaction ID, mode of payment or the amount of the item. For that, I am going to automate this entire process in where I am going to connect my Stripe account to the Airtable so that whenever any new payment can be done into my Stripe account, then automatically all the details of my user will be added into my Airtable as a new row. It is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn this amazing automation, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating an automation in where we can connect our Stripe account to the Airtable for financial tracking so that whenever any successful purchase can be done from your online Stripe store, then automatically all the leads of your users will be added into your Airtable account as a new record. Now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work by purchasing this natural glow refreshing face toner from my online Stripe store. Here you can see for purchasing this natural glow refreshing face toner, it will ask me to provide my contact details in where at first I am going to enter the email address as pateam@pabblytudes.com. After that, the first name I'll give as test and the last name I'll give as user. After that, it will ask you to select the payment method that I am going to select as via card. Here I have entered the test detail. After that, in this address field, I am going to enter the address. Here I have entered. Now I am going to do one test payment. For that, I am clicking on this pay option. As soon as I click on this pay option, then you can see the payment is done successfully and the details that I have shared while doing the payment is automatically added into my Airtable account as a new row. So to learn this amazing automation, you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to open a new window and search pabbly.com/connect. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an online automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple apps without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this is right over here is Pabbly Community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing the similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are creating an automation. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your workflows in one place. In where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. Here in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account, while in this home section, you can see the workflow status. As we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. It will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. Here I am going with this, so I am selecting. Then you can see it will provide me one create workflow box where I have to write the name of my workflow that I write as log Stripe payment details into Airtable for financial tracking. After that, you have to select the folder where I am going to select the folder as Pabbly Connect that I already created before. You can create folders by here. After that, I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow created successfully. Now this is the most important step of creating any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first step of starting your flow in where I am going to select my trigger application as Stripe. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as new charge. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here it will also provide you the instruction that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account to your Stripe. Now I am going to the home page of my Stripe account. So this is the dashboard of my Stripe account. Now I am going to connect my Stripe account to my Pabbly Connect. For that, you have to go in this developer option and go in this webhook option. After that, for connecting the Pabbly Connect to Stripe, you have to click on this plus add destination button. Here it will ask you to select the events from while providing you to. I am selecting this as your account. After that, the API version I select as latest version. After that, you have to select the events that I select as charge succeed. Here you can see it will also mention in the instruction that you have to choose the event as charge succeed. Here I selected. After that, you have to click on this continue button. Then it will ask you to paste the webhook URL that you were copied from your Pabbly Connect. That means this URL. Here I am copying this and paste this URL here. Here I paste it. After that, you have to click on this create destination button. Here you can see our Pabbly Connect webhook is successfully added into our Stripe account. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here you can see it will waiting for the webhook response. So for getting a webhook response, again we have to do the payment. For that, I'm again going into my Stripe account and go in this payment link option where I am going to purchase this natural glowing refreshing face toner. Here I am copying this URL from here. After that, I am searching this URL. Then you can see it will provide me one interface. Here I am going to do the test purchase while adding all the details. Email as pat@pabblytudes.com, first name as smart, then the last name is user. After that, I am doing the payment through card, then the card holder name I'll provide as test user. Here I have write all the details. After that, I am going to click on this pay option. It is processing. Then you can see our payment is done successfully. Now we will check our flow. Here we have also got the response. That means our Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to our Stripe account. Now in the next, I am going to add the actions tab. For that, I am clicking on this plus option and take the actions tab as number formatter. Here I have selected. After that, the app event I select as perform math operation. Here I use the number formatter because Stripe gives the payment amount without any decimal. That means our product price is $550, but Stripe may send it as $55,000. To fix this and get the exact value of the product, we use the number formatter to divide the amount properly. This also helps us perform math operations correctly and store accurate product value. Now I am connecting this option. After that, here I am going to do the mapping of the amount that I have got from the Stripe response. So here I am searching the amount. Here I have selected. You can see the amount is $550, but here it is showing $55,000. So for getting the exact amount of the product, we are doing this operation. Here for the divide, I am entering 1 comma. After that, the 100. After that, you have to select the operation that I select as divide. It will also provide you the instruction that how you can perform the operation. After that, you have to click on this button, save and send test request button. Here you can see it will give us the positive response and the actual value of the products. That means our number formatter is working correctly. After that, in the next step, I want to add my user leads into my Airtable account. For that, I am clicking on this plus option and select the app as Airtable. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as create record, so that whenever any new payment can be done into my Stripe account, then automatically all the leads of my users will be added into my Airtable account as a new row. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here it will provide you two options, that is add new connection or select existing connection. Here I am doing the new connection by clicking on this add new connection. After that, I am clicking on this connect with Airtable option. Here it will ask me to provide the permission. After that, I am going to click on this grant access button. Here you can see my Airtable account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, here I am selecting the base name as Stripe payment details that I have already created before into my Airtable account. Now I'll show you how it will look like. So this is the sheet that I have already created before into my Airtable account by the name of Stripe payment details. After that, we will get back to our flow. As soon as we have selected the base name here, then you can see it will automatically extract the fields, that is name, email, city, amount and the payment method. Now I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have got previously into my Stripe account. For that, I am clicking on this name field and searching the name, that is test user. Here I have done the mapping. Mapping is the most important step of an automation because it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for storing and capturing their dynamic data, mapping is used. After that, in the next field, I am also doing the mapping of the email. Here I am searching watching. Here I mapped. After that the city. Then in this field I am going to do the mapping of this number formatter, not the stripe, because we have performed the math operation in number formatter to get the exact value of the product. After that the payment method I am going to map from the stripe. Here I mapped all the fields. After the completion of your mapping, you have to click on this button, save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. That means our automation is working properly. Now we will also check our Airtable account. See, the leads will added successfully. Now our automation is completed. After the completion of your automation, you have to make sure to enable your workflow with the help of this toggle. If you also want to do this amazing automation, then I'll provide the link of this automation in the description box. You can check out. This automation will help you to store your customer leads without you doing any manual efforts. Whenever a new order can be done from your online Stripe store, then automatically all the leads of your users will be added into your Airtable account with the help of this automation. And the best part is this automation is done without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.